writing. Tool 54 tells us that when a sentence looks like it has more than one independent subject-verb pair, or ISV, try to add that before each subject-verb pair. If it makes sense, then that is an invisible dependent word, and it must be used as a dependent word. Okay, write that down, and we'll look at some more examples. I've gone ahead and labeled these already. So here's our first clause, I thought. Our second clause, the machine had worked. Does that make sense in here? Yes, it does. And in that case, that is our invisible dependent word. Okay. She says she is tired. Does that make sense after she says? Yes, it does. So that is our invisible dependent word. And therefore, this second part is a dependent clause. Dependent clause. My sister wishes her boyfriend would propose. Okay, can I say my sister wishes that her boyfriend would propose? Yes, I can say that, and therefore this is a dependent clause because it has the invisible that, or the invisible dependent word that, at the start of it. Let's take a look at this one. The kids like cereal, they do not like oatmeal. Try to put that here. The kids like cereal, that they do not like oatmeal. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't make sense there. And so this is not a dependent clause. They do not like oatmeal. Therefore, this is an independent clause. And with independent clauses that are stuck together in this way, this creates a problem. And in Chapter 8, which is the very next lesson, we're going to learn what to do about this problem when we have two independent clauses stuck together with no dependent word and no invisible that.